G8D118, Tara Angelique R. Bilang to perform Part of Your World from Cavite National High School, Philippines.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around, you could think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's it and what's it's galore. You want thingamabobs? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see 'em dancing, walking around on those, what do you call 'em? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down a, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day or more beside? Bet on land, they understand, but they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to send, and ready to know what the people know. Asking my questions and get some answers. What's a fire and why does it? What's a word? And when's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore of the world? Out of this sea, wish I could be part of that
Before we proceed to the next performance, may we call on G8D123, Dakina Candice Liu. Please proceed to the backstage. G8D119, Johan Kevin Leonardo to perform Broken Vow from Big Ben International School, Indonesia.
His name I want to know. The way he looks and where you go. I need to see his face. and dream of you and then I realize there's more to life than only bitterness and lies. I close my to hold you once again. Never let this promise end. I let you go. I let you fly. Now that I know, I'm asking why. Let you go. Now that I found a way to keep somehow more than a broken vow.
G8D120, Deandra Edrania to perform Mercy by Daffy from AIJ Music School, Indonesia.
I love you, but I gotta stay true. Memories got me on my knees.